Hello guys, in this video I'd like to share with you how to initialize a set collection in Java with some default values, some fixed values in just one line. I am Nam Hà at codejava.net. Let me show you some code examples. So given a set collection is declared and initialized like this, you see set of type integer numbers, and the implementation is hash set, and then we use the add method here to put elements into this set. You can see several numbers here, and you can see this code is quite long and somewhat boilerplate, and there should be a better and shorter way to declare and initialize a set collection with some default values, some fixed elements in just a single line. Let me run this program first before I show you how to update rewrite the code to use new syntax. Run as Java application, and you can see it prints out the elements in the set. Okay, to initialize a set collection with some values in one line, you can use the static method in the set interface since Java version 9, set.off, and then you can specify any number of elements, as many elements as you wish to. Now let me show you how to update this code. Okay, so instead of creating a new hash set object, we use the set.off method here and specify the elements directory in this method like this: 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and 17. And you can see the code is now looking shorter, more compact, and more convenient to write, you see, and much easier to understand, right? Okay, now let me run this program again. Run as the application, and you see it prints elements in the set. So basically you use the off method of the set interface to put elements when initializing a set collection. Similarly, you can initialize the set of type string like this: fruits equal set.off, then specify the elements of type string like this: apple, banana, lemon, durian, for example, and print out the set collection: fruits. Okay, run the program again, and you see it also prints the elements in the set of string elements. And keep in mind that the returned set object is unmodifiable. That means you can't add or remove elements after set initialization. And if you want to have a modifiable set, you need to create a new hash set object that wraps the immutable set returned by the set.off method. Let me show you. Okay, so suppose that after initialization of this set of numbers here, I want to remove the first element, the element of number 1 from the set numbers. I'll remove 1 here and run the program, and you see I got the error Java not unsupported operation exception in the immutable collections class. So you can see that the return set object is immutable. If you look at the documentation here, you can see this method returns an unmodifiable set containing elements, and underlying it invokes the set and method of the immutable collections class, and you can see it creates a set of type abstract mutable set, you see. So that means you can't add or remove elements to the set after initialization. For example, I try to add another number to this set and run the program again, and you see I also got the unsupported operation exception. So to make a modifiable set, we need to create a new instance of hashset class, hashset, and wrapping the immutable set that is returned by the set.of method like this. Then I can add or remove elements to or from this set. You see it works, and you can see the new element. Sorry, let me put it now. After you see it added the new element 19 here, and let me try to remove the number 1 and run the program again, and you see after this method remove, the number 1 was removed from the set. So if you want to initialize and create a modifiable set collection, you need to instantiate a new hashset object wrapping the method set.of like this. So then you can add or remove elements to or from the set collection. Make sense? Alright, so far you have seen how to initialize a set with default values in Just Online in Java Collections framework. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching.